So welcome students. In this question you are asked to find the ratio of the in radius to circumscribed radius of a regular polygon. So if you have a regular polygon of side A and having n sides, a regular polygon of side A having n sides, so you are asked to find what the value of r by r can be. R is the radius of inscribed circle, capital R is the radius of circumscribing circle. So now let us find both of them. So first, if the length of the regular polygon, the length of side of the regular polygon is A, and let us say that you have n sides. So if you have the center of the polygon, so if you join the center with the vertices, adjacent vertices, so this angle that you have here will be the total angle 2 pi by n, right? The total angle 2 pi is divided into n parts. So the angle is 2 pi by n. Now if you draw the perpendicular here, by symmetry, it will cut the vertex into two parts. So this part will be a by 2 because it's an isosceles triangle. So and this angle will be half of this angle, which is pi by n. So what is this is nothing but the radius. This is nothing but capital R, right? So in this triangle, in this right angle triangle, small r is the radius of the incircle, and this angle is pi by n, and this side is a by 2. So can I say that tan of pi by n is equal to a by 2 by r, a by 2r. So r is equal to a by 2 tan pi by n. So where n is the number of sides of this polygon. So if you divide a by 2 tan pi by n, you get the inscribed radius. Similarly, if you take the circumscribed circle, if you take the center, if you join these two, so you get the same triangle now, because this side, you have n sides, so this angle will be 2 pi by n. So if you draw a perpendicular, this side will be a by 2, and now this side will be the radius of the circumscribed circle. So for to find the capital R, what is the ratio that I use? This is pi by n. Now I use sin pi by n. Sin pi by n is equal to a by 2 capital R. So capital R is equal to a by 2 sin pi by n. So this implies small r by capital R is nothing but, if you divide these two, a by 2 tan pi by n divided by a by 2 sin pi by n. So a by 2 and a by 2 getting cancelled. So this becomes sin by cos. So you have cos pi by n. So small r by capital R is equal to cos pi by n. So if you have different values of n, you get different values of r by r. So for n is equal to 1, you won't have a polygon. So you get arbitrary values. You get minus 1 because n is equal to 1 is not valid. So let us start with n is equal to 3. So if n is equal to 3, small r by capital R can be equal to cos pi by 3 is half. For n is equal to 3, you can have half. For n is equal to 4, so you have cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. For n is equal to 5, you get cos pi by 5, whatever it is. For n is equal to 6, you get cos pi by 6, that is root 3 by 2. And in this way, you can get different values. So these are the possible values of small r by capital R. Thank you.